y'all doing? I realized it's been a little while since we've had an update on the channel, so I figured I'd take this time to do that. What up? Look at her. Oh well. So a couple of you know I have the streets tried to take me out. I was on the Rebel, and I took a spill. I got tank slapping. Hey, what's up, dude? I took a spill, got some tank slap. Here's old Black Betty. I got a couple issues with it, so the left bar bent straight down and slammed into the tank. So I just ordered the replacement parts for that. I also ordered this piece here, so we're gonna get the Rebel back up in commission. Got some work to do on that, the blinker as well. But I mean, it runs, it turns on, it functions. It'll probably drive. I haven't checked the forks yet, but I won't be able to do that till I can actually use the handlebars. So we ordered the parts for that. Oh, homie got a Grom that blew up on him. Right here. It was a big bore on it, and you can see right down in the bottom there. So yeah, we got some work to do in regards to getting bikes back up and running, but here's our little helmet table and glove stand. Pretty nice there. But homie just bought an R7. Hey buddy. No. Homie just bought an R7. It's currently in the shop getting worked on. It's in the shop getting worked on, but they're doing the first check on that. So, took a spill, long story short, took a spill on the Rebel and then towed it back to the house. And then, so I've only been on the RSV4 for probably about the last 2-3 weeks. But I went and bought a little mini moto off of a guy who had it registered to a business name, and so I got to do the title on that. I'll put up a couple of clips of that. I did buy a little mini moto. I think what I'm going to do is when I get it registered, I'm going to use that to trade in. Probably get a different mini moto that a little better on the, just newer, more reliable. So this one's carbureted. It's a little off-brand Diax Ice Bear from 2016. I got to do the title transfer on it, but the dude moved out of state, so I can't get the signatures that I need. So I'm gonna have to jump through like 7 different hoops to get it done. But yeah, it should be fine. And then obviously we still got the RSV4. Oh, Bama Lamb, she's still going. She's still going strong. And then this is the little mini moto here. So, okay. But yeah, I took a spill on the Rebel, so you can see you can see my elbow there, my shoulder's a little discolored, and you can't see it anymore, but my back, I had a bunch of road rash and I got healed up from that. So also the day we went out with Vincent, which was the last video if you guys looked at it, the day we went out with Vincent, we ran the back tire completely down to chicken wire. I did purchase a new front tire and a new back tire, but I bought a spare back tire as well. So if I ever run into that issue again, I'm not going to be struggling. You know what I mean? We have plenty of time to, you know, go about getting it to the shop and getting that tire switched out. So not too bad, not too bad. The spill on the Rebel kind of hurt a little bit. I was out of commission for a couple days. One of my buddies came over, helped me get the back tire off and take it to a shop to get it changed out. But it was good times, good times. We have we've been putting miles on this bad boy. We've been cruising. So I'll throw up some clips, but I started doing parking lot days with my riding group. So we'll just go out to a parking lot and do some practice on turns and stuff. So I'm feeling like I'm getting a little more confident. Ignore that. But we're at 82,096 right now. So we've been putting in the work on old Bama Lamb here. Been thoroughly enjoying. Feels great. Drives wonderful. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the brakes though, because obviously, you know, the more you drive it, the more you use it. But I'll throw up some clips of the parking lot days on that, because we wanted to get the homie comfortable on the R7 as well. So it's been good. It's been super busy. I've been riding a lot, and because of that, I just haven't had time to edit much. But if you guys go to the Instagram, you'll see all my daily updates there. Quick little pictures, you know, some couple of fun little videos and stuff. So yeah, check out some footage, and I love you guys. I hope you guys are doing fantastic.